Hello, Chef here. So I'm in one of the kitchens and I wanted to talk to you today about egg cooking and how important it is to select the right frying pan. So this is the one that I like. It's approximately 7 to 8 inch diameter and it's got very heavy rivets. You can get it right there if you're looking for one. Steel handle, riveted on, rubber grip, love it. That is the perfect egg pan right there. And that's going to give you perfect eggs every time. With a really good pan, you use less oil as well, or butter. Takes very, very little. Salt. Pepper. Perfect eggs over easy. Perfect eggs over easy with a little bit of pan-fried ham. Of course, gonna have a little bit of fruit with that too. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor, and you can score the pans right there. Keep cooking and have a great day. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Chef here. Watch the other videos and learn how to make awesome marinated chicken breasts. Yeah. Please leave a comment,